What's up, I'm Nick from Also Sick Media, and for today's upgrade, well, I'm kind of forced to upgrade because I'm pretty sure I broke my shifter. For example, my first gear now sits where neutral used to be. So it's like as if the entire shifter just shifted itself backwards, which normally wouldn't be a bad thing if I would lean the seat backwards and drive around like that, but I don't. So something happened. I want to say it's the shift linkage cables that probably got stretched out, but I just went ahead and ordered new shift cables anyways, and on top of that, got myself, you guys can see it, a complete shifter kit from Acuity. The peanuts. Who flinched? If you flinched, well, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, cool. So they gave me a little care package, some decals, air freshener, and a lanyard. I got two of them, so you know what? I might as well just go ahead and give one out. So whoever comments, and you have to be a subscriber, I'll go ahead and send you one of these. Got a full list of all the parts that I got. Got some shirts. Sick. It's got the interior trim removal. Their signature color, purple. So hopefully I don't scratch my panels. This is, oh sick, they gave me a banner. Let me guess, purple? Yep, as you can see. Bigger than I thought. Dope. Not sure if it's gonna match my car with red, but figure it out. Hang this up in the garage for sure. Oh, nice. And they gave me a hoodie. So obviously right now I'm not gonna be wearing it because it's like 95 plus degrees, but when winter comes, definitely rocking that. Double cup air freshener 10 pack. So they gave me more air fresheners. So, yeah, so they gave me a lot more. So check this out. Aside from the other little package that I'll give out, I'll pick a couple more people in the comments that are subscribed to me, and I'll mail you guys some air fresheners from Acuity too. So it's the perks of watching these videos. Every video I come out with now, I'm gonna try to give out a little something. Got the pedal relocation bracket, so this is gonna help when I start heel towing. You could heel tow with the car stock, but it is a little more difficult because the gas pedal sits a little further down than the brake on the 10 gen. So this kit is supposed to even it out, so hopefully it makes it a little easier. I like how they package everything, and everything's really, the quality looks really, really good, so that's pretty sick. And it helps that they package everything with the title of what it is. So sometimes, you know, people just put everything in a big bag and you kind of got to figure it out. We got, so we got some shift knobs. Oh damn, this is different. Check this out. Packaged. A little pouch. You could hold a couple grams. I mean, you could hold a couple, you could hold some stuff in here if you wanted to. Here's one I would be rocking. It's red, matches the car. Feels good. I actually prefer this style over like the Spear. And the best part is the fully adjustable performance shifter, their stage 3 kit. That's what it looks like, or I can just open it and show you what it looks like. Alright, sick. So it obviously comes with install guide, what the package should contain, and it's not heavy, so that's good. Let's open this up. It's lightweight. It's obviously very durable. It's not plastic. The OEM one's plastic, so that's pretty big upgrade already in itself. And then, oh, this is the shifter part. Also, you could adjust the height, so that's pretty sick. I'll figure that out once that's even if I have time. Who knows, it might take me a while to finally adjust it the way I want. So what I am gonna be doing though is, when I install it, I'm not gonna put the center console all the way back on. So one, I wanna show off this new cool part that I have, give me some, car show points. And two, like I said, I'm sure it's gonna take me a while to figure out what my favorite position is. Sucios. I'm gonna go ahead and rock this shirt that they gave me, so just like that, rocking the shirt, ready to get to work, so let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we gotta disconnect all the panels, pop off. Comes off with the breeze with the Acuity panels removals. Oh, hold on, this has screws. So let me get screwdriver. This has a couple screws here. See how easy this is? So you read the instructions from Acuity, it just makes everything way easier. This off. That's it. Now to remove the shifter, take everything apart, get all the wires out of the way. Again, the instructions that are on the Acuity website are really thorough, so that helped out big time. Got a big mess in here. Usually when you start taking panels off, you start realizing how much of a mess you really have. That. Taken care of. I'm gonna get these parts off. There we go. So yeah, the Acuity one's way more durable. This is all plastic. Acuity one actually has good cosmetic looks, so make a big difference. Still debating. Honestly, I might not even put the panels back on because I kind of want to show off the new Acuity Shifter kit. So now I'm going to replace the cables because I think those are stretched out and go from there. All right, so next up, here are the new shifter cables from Honda. Here are the new shifter cables from Honda, and I'm going to be installing the Acuity shift linkage bushing upgrades. So let's get to it. Brand new clips are all on there, so that's good. That's good. As far as the new bushings, it says your OEM bushings suck. I mean, I don't know. I guess so, because technically my shifter messed up. What the real cause was, I don't know. I'm not going to sit here and diagnose it because I got to get my car up and running again. I got some races to attend. So here are the new bushings. Good. definitely feel more durable, so that's cool. Got some clips, so I take the stock ones off. You can't even see it, but slide that off. Alright, doesn't matter because I got a new one, but let's do the side by side on these. Okay, so this is it, the stage 3. It's pretty sick. The attention to detail is amazing. It already comes all pre-assembled, so I literally just have to install it. And the other thing that's pretty cool is on this side, it actually tells you like the torque specs and the size of the tools that you need to use for certain locations. So that just makes it way easier. Aside from that, let's go ahead and install this, get the red shift knob that I got for this, and see what she feels like. Okay, so I've already had the shifter on for probably like 2 weeks. Actually, right after I installed it, I went to FF Battle at Streets of Willow, so I really got to put the shifter to use, and obviously the new cables, and man, I love it. This is like seriously one of those, so you still hear the track pads? Yeah. This is one of those upgrades that you kind of don't know that you need it until you use it, and then you'll never go back to stock. Compared to stock, it's seriously like a night and day difference. You hear it click, like be downshift so you can hear it. Like, you know it's in gear. It's very stable. It is harder to get, to shift just because there's more load on it, like with the spring, but that's what makes it better. I mean, the stock one, from the beginning, I loved the way it came with from Honda, but over time and abuse, and obviously the car's making way more power and I'm really, really abusing it, OEM could only handle so much, and with this, even if you're not racing the car as much as me, you'll definitely feel how stable it is, and it'll help your shifts too, for sure. And then obviously the new shift knob that they came out with, it makes a huge difference because it's comfortable. And the way I have it positioned, I ended up leaving it the way it comes from them, so it's like pretty much in the middle of all the settings, so it's not too short, not too long. The height is seriously like right next to the steering wheel, and even though right now I currently don't have a center console and armrest, I just use this as an armrest, so it's all good, man. I definitely recommend this for sure. And you can see, like, you can do like a little pull. Magical, man. Acuity, thank you very much. This is seriously a really, really good upgrade. Doesn't add horsepower, but it adds the drivability and makes sure that I can put it into gear every single time. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. Remember, life's so sick. Live it. You know what? But before we end it, I wonder how this shifter compares against a stock Type R shifter. I think I'm gonna have to find a Type R to put it to the test. I know from OEM SI to the Stage 3 Acuity kit, the Stage 3 beats it overall everywhere. But I'm really curious to see what it does against the Type R, so stay tuned for the next video.
We'll be right back.